Good morning students. Today we are going to start new chapter number 11, weather and seasons. In this chapter we will discuss about the concept of weather and season, what are the main seasons, what factors responsible for the change in weather and how the seasons affect us. So let's start our chapter. The first question which will stuck in our mind that what is the weather? What is the definition of the weather? So the weather is the condition of the air at a particular place and time that is known as weather. So we can say the condition of wind, rain, sunshine and cloud at a particular place at a particular time that is known as weather. The weather change from day to day. Sometimes it change from hour to hour. So it may be sunny in the morning, it may be cloudy in the afternoon and it may be windy at night. So what are the factors which are responsible for change in the weather? So the factors which are responsible for the change in the weather are the sun, wind, cloud and rain. So let us study about them. Our first topic is the sun. The weather is warm and hot when the weather shines brightly in the sky. And noon is the part of the day. You know that there is the morning, after that afternoon, noon and evening and night. So the noon is the hottest part of the day because the sun shines directly over our head. And the morning and evening that are not too hot as compared to the day because at that time the rays of the sun become slanting. So at the noon the day is very hot and in the morning and evening the day is not too hot as compared to the day. Next is wind. Moving air that is known as wind, and when the wind blows gently that is known breeze, and when the air is moved strongly that is known as storm. The another name of storm are also you can say cyclone, typhoon and hurricanes. So here is a picture also. When the air is moved gently that is known as breeze, and when the air moves strongly that is known as a storm. So we can say in a storm the air wind is blow very strongly. So the storm can cause a lot of destruction at times. They can destroy houses and they can uproot trees. Wind can also be dry and cool. हवा जो है वो ठंडी भी हो सकती है और हवा जो है वो गर्म भी होती है. So in the summer the wind blow that is very dry and hot, that is known as loo, and in a winter season the air is blowing, the wind is blowing, that is very cool. And sometimes wind carry moisture with them. This result is there is a rain. Our next topic is clouds. You know about the clouds. So many times you see the clouds in the sky. So the weather of a place that is also depend on the clouds. A sky that is full of clouds that indicate the weather is pleasant during the summer season. And this is because the rays of the sun that cannot reach us directly. That's why there is this season in a summer when the cloud is there, the season is looking very pleasant. The cloudy nights are also warmer than clear night because when the cloud is there, they do not allow the heat of the earth to go out in the space. That's why the nights are very warmer when there is a cloud in the summer. Sometimes cloud also bring rain and they make the weather cool. Our next topic is rain. Rain also affect the weather of a place. It lower the temperature and make the weather pleasant. So जैसे ही बारिश हो जाती है टेम्परेचर जो होता है वो लो हो जाता है और वेदर जो है वो वेरी प्लीजेंट, बहुत अच्छा सा मौसम हो जाता है. ड्यूरिंग समर इट गिव्स अस रिलीफ फ्रॉम द हीट समर सीजन में जब बहुत तेज़ गर्मी होती है तो बारिश से हमको थोड़ा सा रिलीफ मिलता है बिकॉज द वेदर बिकम्स कूल. एंड इन विंटर द रेन bring snow or hailstorm. You can see there is a snowfall and there is a hailstorm. You can say that is the बहुत तेज जो बारिश होती है विद द ओलावृष्टि जिसको हम बोल सकते हैं, जहाँ ओले गिरते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज हेल स्टॉर्म. एंड व्हेन दैट देयर इज नो रेन, व्हेन इट हैपन दैट डज नॉट रेन इज देयर फॉर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, दैट इज कॉज ड्रॉट. जब बहुत दिनों तक बारिश नहीं होती है तो वहाँ पर क्या हो जाता है, सूखा पड़ जाता है. एंड व्हेन द ड्रॉट लास्ट फॉर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड, बहुत लंबे टाइम तक अगर सूखा रहता है, बारिश नहीं होती है, तो एनिमल्स एंड ह्यूमन्स बीइंग डाई ड्यू टू द लैक ऑफ वाटर एंड फूड. जो एनिमल्स होते हैं एंड जो ह्यूमन बीइंग होते हैं वो बिना पानी के, देयर इज़ नो लाइफ विदाउट द वाटर, सो बिना पानी और बिना खाने के वो लोग मर जाते हैं. ऑन द अदर हैंड व्हेन देयर इज अ हैवी रेनफॉल फॉर मैनी डेज, जब बारिश नहीं होती तो सूखा पड़ जाता है, और जब बहुत बारिश होती है दैट कैन कॉज फ्लड. वहाँ पर क्या आ जाती है, बाढ़ आ जाती है. एंड द फ्लड ऑल्सो कॉज अ लॉट ऑफ डिस्ट्रक्शंस टू द लाइफ एंड प्रॉपर्टी. अगर फ्लड आएगी तो भी देर इज़ अ वेरी बैड फॉर द ह्यूमन्स एंड फॉर द एनिमल्स because it is also destroy the life and the property. So the weather can change during the year because the some month are very hot while some month are very cold. So during some month the weather is mild. Mild means ना ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है और ना ज़्यादा सर्दी होती है. So we can say it is neither too hot and neither too cold. So student, I hope you understood the topic weather. The remaining part of this chapter we will take in a next video.